Hello there, it's Matt here again, and today I'm going to show you a new addition to our Christmas range. This is our collapsible Christmas star, which offers great instant high impact decoration to any room you choose to hang them in. Whether it's the lounge, bedroom or porch, or even your shop or restaurant, these are guaranteed to give an instant high effect Christmas display with simplicity. Whilst these are very easy to put away once the season is done, they're just as easy to put together ready for the season. You simply make sure the fabric is around the metal frame, like so. Open up the star and finalise it with making sure it's zipped up, like so. You can hang these anywhere you want, or like we have here, you can place them anywhere you want, and consider your star decoration done. You can get these in store at Horse Garden Centre in New Oscott, or you can go on our website at www.gardensite.co.uk for prices, dimensions and more information. Thank you very much.